This is going to be resetting the oil maintenance light for a 2014 Ram 2500. This is an HD model Hemi. First, turn the key to the second position. Your dash is going to light up. You're going to be using the key buttons right here on the side. And what you want to do is go to Vehicle Info. So you're going to scroll down using the left keypad. But go down into Vehicle Info, push this top arrow here, and then it's going to give you your oil life. It'll also give you other options on here, like your battery voltage, your coolant temperature, trans and oil temp, the idle and engine hours, and then your tire pressure. So what you want to do, you also have individual stuff here too. So get here to oil life, and you're going to see a reset right there. What you want to do is just push this arrow here on the left side, and you want to hit reset. So you're just going to hold it to the left. Your left hand, hold the arrow down, and it's going to reset it to 100%. And that's how you would do the oil reset for a 2014 Ram 2500.